Yo, what's up, Rich Gang? It's Boy King GK here at Newton Effects, and I'm here to break down that NAS100 trade that I was sending out into the free Telegram group. Oh, fuck, I need to get a haircut. Let me just show you guys the proof in the pudding. Right, let me just get this focus right. What's up with that? What's up with that? I will just post a screenshot for you guys, then focus is out. I can't, but guys, you guys can see it's Christmas. The Christmas tree's up. Everybody's gonna sing Tingle Bell, Tingle Bell. Man, just drop another heat. So guys, please bear with me, guys. On this video, I'm just gonna drop some bombs for you guys for the new traders just getting started. It's gonna be helpful for you guys as well. So please, guys, go check it out. And if you're not in the free Telegram group, guys, just ask yourself why. Finding out these trades every single day, and you're not even in it. What the fuck are you doing? So get into it right now. The link is down below. Right, so if you want to benefit from it every single day, join the VIPs, but it's not recommended, guys. So let's jump into the charts, guys. Let's get it. Hello traders, welcome back to Newton FX Academy YouTube channel. We're back here on the charts. We're gonna jump into that NAS100 trade breakdown setup, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe and bring more people to the community, guys. I love you all. Hashtag Rich Gang. Let's go with. No, what? Let's get it. So we're back here on NAS100, guys. So I'm gonna start off from clean charts. You guys notice by now I'm a clean trader. Let's call me the naked trader. I don't use indicators or anything. I just use the trend, guys. So I'm just gonna break it down for some new traders just getting into the market as well, who don't understand price action and how price is basically flowing. So I'm just gonna extend this video as well just to give some free education in it as well, guys. So we know the overall market condition by now, guys. Let me just clean it. Right, we know the overall market condition is that price creating higher highs and higher lows, right? Higher highs and higher lows once price is basically continuing to the upside, right? So this is what we call our, let me just get it, this is our higher low, guys, and this is our higher high. Let me just make it white so you guys can understand what I mean. Oh, I don't know why this thing is black. So this is basically our higher high structure point into the market, guys. So I know a lot of you guys know this by now, but you guys don't take note of it, guys. That is why most of you guys, it takes so long for you guys to become profitable traders. So this is basically what the market is doing on a daily basis, guys, right? So you guys can see we did create this high point, price retraced back, right, and then create a higher low. There we can see that price did break above our previous higher high structure and then create this new higher high. That price retraced back, right, and create this new higher low and then continue to the upside and create this new higher high into the market. So this is basically the simple stuff in the market that you guys really must understand and master, guys. I know a lot of you guys probably think this is baby stuff, but you know how many people got this baby stuff wrong and is trading more than 5 6 years and it's still not profitable. I know a lot of them. So guys, bear with me through it. I know a lot of people, right? So there you guys can see we did create this lower low. There we can see we did create this higher low. There we did break out of structure. We did create this new form of a lower low. We trace back a higher, lower high, and there we create a lower low. We trace back a lower high. There we can see. So sometimes I just getting confused with the naming of it, but I know exactly what it means. As you guys notice in my videos, sometimes I will just misplace myself and just like, oh, this is a high low, this is a yeah, but I'm just human being, guys. What is going on with this thing now? Come on, get out of there. What's up with you, son? So yeah, we can draw the trend line here again. We could say this is our lower high point into the market, lower high, right? Oh, I understand why does this thing do that. This is our lower high, and this is our lower low into the market, right? So now we can just bring it down. Lower high, just copy that, lower low, and this is you guys will see how does this will fit in play right now once we get into the market, right? This is the basic stuff, but a lot of the people, as I mentioned, doesn't understand the basic stuff. So as you guys can see, price did basically break under this lower low and did create this new form of a lower low. Price retrace back into this area, and their price create this form of a lower high. Price break under this lower low and then create this new lower low. Price retrace back and create this lower high and then continue. So this is going to be our new form of a lower low if you just extend this to this. So let's get into the charts, guys. I hope you guys understand it. Simple stuff. So this is basically what the price is doing now. I don't want you guys to get into the market and basically are confused of what is the market basically trying to tell you guys, because I know a lot of older traders who's trading longer than me, they don't understand that basic stuff. So but that's okay. So as you guys can see, that price did break out of it. Price did create this new form of a higher high, and their price come to the downside. This is not a valid higher low for us yet. It's only going to be a valid higher low for us if price break out of this previous higher high structure point, guys. Bear that in mind and keep that in mind, guys. Price must break above this area to confirm that this is a confirmed higher low point. So if we scale down to our daily time frame now, guys, is that we can see that we have this extension leg here to the upside. Right here we can see that price did create this low point, and there we can see continuation to the upside. We did break above this area, so valid this is a valid high and low structure point for us. And here we can see that price did rally to the downside, did break under this area of interest, and it's also a structure break. So this is what we call price did create this new form of a lower low into the market. So we can say that okay, this is our high structure point into the market on our daily time frame, and this is also area of interest for us where price will most likely come in tap into. So if we look at our daily time on our daily candle only and looking at price action, what we could see is that this is a bullish spinning top candle, so we can call it a bullish doji candle as well, right? So if this candle, right, if this candle this daily candle close bearish, guys, and close at least under this week, right, and fill this week to the downside, we could say that okay, now we can see that we have some price action. We have an evening star formation that's most likely gonna tell us that price will continue to the downside for a retracement and then continue to the upside. So let's scale into our 4 hour time frame, gang. Is that I'll have to break it down from the higher, you know it by now. So as you guys could see, that price did break under this previous structure, lower low, price retrace back into this area, respected. There we see continuation to the downside. Right there we can see we have this extension to the upside, this leg here to the upside. Price did break out of this previous uh lower high point, and there we can see we have this high point. So this is basically our lows right now. So I could mark this as my lower high point because my price did basically uh this is my higher low. You see, I get confused with it sometimes, only with the naming of it, but I understand it. So this is my higher low point, and this is my higher high structure point where price is basically trading right now. So what we could also notice is that we have this area of support right here where price basically come into. We can see that we have this berries spinning top as well. There we can see we have this morning star formation, but price wasn't able to continue to the upside. And there we can see we have another price action. Price basically come tap into this area of interest as well at our previous higher highs, and there we can see that price basically formed this evening star formation, right? That price coming to the downside. Here we can see price did grab liquidity. So now we can say that okay, price basically formed this double top. So a great position for us for continuation for short-term sales is that if this candle or price can close under this region, right? And giving us a retracement, then we can take a trade from this area to the downside there, guys. So let's scale into our 1 hour time frame. Right, let's scale into our 1 hour time frame. So I did mark this area of support here as well, right? So I basically caught this trade on my 30 minutes time frame, right? So but on your 1 hour time frame we can break it down as well, right? We can see that we have this leg here to the upside. Price did retrace back and then create this higher low. There we can see that price continued to the upside. This is a verified higher low structure point, but now we can see that price did come down, right, in this impulsive way to the downside, and did break under this previous higher low structure point and did create this new form of a lower low. Their price retraced back into it. We have a structure break, but now you guys can see price retraced back in this ascending corrective formation, right? There we can see price did also giving us this bearish engulfing candle, and price did break under this previous low structure point right there. So if we scale down to our 30 minutes time frame, we cannot see much, but scale down more, right? 5 minutes, that is where I call this setup, right? On my 5 minutes, what did I saw? Right, I did saw that price did basically break under this lows. We have this impulsive move to the downside. There I see price basically retrace back. I actually I did have a Fibonacci on the setup, right, from this high to this lower low point. There you guys can see that price did tap into my 50% retracement on my Fibonacci. There was my entry candle. This candle right here was my entry candle. It was a candle that basically was engulfing the setup, right? If you guys mark this area of support, my 5 minute, so you guys can see how many times the price try. This was the candle was creating this area of support. There you guys can see one, two. This is a gladiator candle. I did take a sell position from this area. I did also keep my stop tight just above that region. I did also target my 4 hour level of support. Let me just scale into my 4 hour level of support. Because why, guys, this is a 4 hour support. Price can just easily form a double bottom as well and then continue to the upside. So this was basically the trade setup, guys. It was simple, plain and easy. I was basically targeting this imbalance area right here on a 1 hour, but this is basically my 4 hour form of support. So that is what I basically wanted to tell you guys, is to be patient, target always your support or your lows. So but it all depends on how's your trading plan, guys. So this is it for this video, guys. It's your boy King GK here at Newton Effects. So please don't forget to check out that free Telegram group, guys. I did send this straight into my free Telegram group. So if you guys miss it out, uh don't miss it out again, guys. Check out that link. It's in the description, guys. Go check it out now, not tomorrow. Now it's your future, guys. So hashtag read gang, and I'm out.